Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you a product really. So I'm selling my 2011 Honda CRZ since I got my Model 3, and I've been trying to clean it up, and I was worried about the steering wheel. You know, it's super dirty and I don't know what kind of chemicals or sprays are going to damage the leather. So I went out and got Mr. Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. So I got that from Amazon. I had heard good stuff about it, so we're going to give it a shot. And what I'm trying to clean off is this. Let me show you. Alright. So it's that kind of stuff, right? That gunky buildup. I'm even going to try to get the stuff off the like the stock here using the same stuff. So here, we're going to give it a shot. Let's see how it works. This is just an old rag, just something that's not going to scratch. Alright. And they say just apply it by going back and forth without putting too much pressure. Just go over and over and over the surfaces and it should get it off. And it is in fact working. It's getting that stuff off. Amazing. Here, look at that. Let's keep going. It's actually all over here. Let me bring it in a little bit and show you. Like right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got all that sticky, gunky buildup. Yeah, and that's great. It's coming right off. I'm so happy. Alright, we're gonna put a little more. Hey, so that worked out really well. Check it out. It got all of that stuff off, you know, that gunky residue, that probably like oil from your hands and that kind of stuff. I even tried it right here down on the blinker stalk. It got all that stuff off. You know, it looks really good. I highly recommend it. You know, I haven't tried it yet in the Model 3, but I think at some point I probably will give it a shot. So here it is, Mr. Leather. Found it on Amazon. It's not a promotion for them by any means. It's just a, you know, a recommendation for anybody who's looking for a good steering wheel cleaner. And be sure to like and subscribe and come back for more videos. Thanks a lot.